Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the Redmi Watch 3 Active, a sports smartwatch from Redmi. Okay, and as you can see here, it has a rectangular design, sporty look, and with a feature for Bluetooth phone call. So we are going to have the unboxing of the smartwatch. Okay, it's another model from the Watch 3 series of the Redmi smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this unboxing of the Redmi Watch 3 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we're ready. Let's start. Okay, unboxing the Redmi Watch 3 Active. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Okay, so we have here some details. So the dimension, okay, so 47 by 38.9 by 10.8 millimeter. So it's a medium size wearable. Let's see if we do have some specs. We have here, okay, we do have here the 1.3-inch LCD big screen, Bluetooth calling, 12 days battery life, 100 plus workout modes. Wow, that's good. Rich watch faces, all-day heart rate monitoring. We do have an advanced sleep monitoring, all-day blood oxygen monitoring here. Okay, we also have a 5 ATM water resistance and magnetic charging. Okay, so seems like it's a in a mid-range smartwatch here, and it's very affordable so far. Okay, it's just less than $50 US. Okay, so let's remove the sticker here and let's check the contents of the box. Okay, so let's see. I think this is one of the most affordable smartwatch from Redmi, I think. Okay, so let's check. How do we remove the box here? Okay, just pull it. Okay. So we have here the smartwatch with the strap already attached to it. Okay, underneath we have the Redmi Watch 3 Active User Manual, and we have the charging cable, magnetic charging cable here. Okay, it's a net wireless charging cable. Again, this is the Redmi Watch 3 Active Smartwatch. Okay, so let's check on the user manual. Okay, English language here, we have it here. Okay, so some instructions. We also have the QR code, and it's also available in other languages. Okay, so we have the smartwatch here. Okay, so let's remove the plastic. Okay, and see the smartwatch. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so we have a glossy finish here. We have a black color. Okay, there's a way to it. And we have a physical button here. We have a sports strap. Okay, I do hope this is interchangeable. Okay, so it's a different type, a different design. It's a bit thick, as you can see here. Okay, let's focus on the wearable. Okay, as you can see here, it's a bit thick. Even without the sensor here on the back, it's still thick compared to other smartwatches. Okay. So far, it looks decent. It looks nice. Okay. So glossy type, and seems like it's a metal body frame here, plastic cover. We have interchangeable strap back. I think this is a proprietary strap. Okay, so this will be an issue, I think. later on, especially if you're looking for another extra strap. Okay, so if you have this, it's much better to get a new strap already for this wearable. Okay, so that when, okay, after several months, okay, it will be easy for you to replace this strap if you already have one, instead of getting a new strap. Okay, because maybe it's there's no more company that is manufacturing the strap for this one, especially if, okay, they have a new model. Okay, so let's check on the dimension of this smartwatch as well as the weight. Okay, for the weight, let's check. So it's around 41.96 grams, less than 50 grams, okay, with the strap on. Okay, as you can see here, 41. Let's say it's 42. Okay, for the dimension, again, let's check. Although we already have the details, let's check it again. It's around 35, 36 something. Okay, for the length, let's see, it's around 45. For the thickness without the sensor here, less than 10. Okay, again, so this is the design of the Redmi Watch 3 Active. Okay, it looks okay. So we have here the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. So as you can see, we have the same screen display here, glossy, as well as the body frame. Okay, looks sporty and it looks premium. For the specs, so let's check here. Redmi available in black and gray. What we have here is the black color. So we have here the dimensions. We have the strap, sensors. It has a heart rate sensor, blood oxygen sensor, and accelerometer. There's no built-in GPS. The battery lasts up to 12 days with a heavy usage of 8 days. The capacity is 289 mAh. For the display screen, let's turn it on and see. Okay, so let's check if we still have a battery life. Okay, seems like we still have a standby time. Okay, battery. Okay, let's speak the English language here. Okay, you need to scan and download the app. English. Okay, so we can't pass by this one. We need to install the application. I guess later on. About the watch, power off. So Redmi Watch 3 active. Reboot, power off. So we'll try later on. Anyway, here's the specs. 1.83 inch LCD display, 240 by 280 pixel resolution, 450 nits adjustable, and it has a speaker, built-in speaker and mic. Okay, Bluetooth 5.3. Okay, so these are the details of the Redmi Watch 3 Active. Okay, so far it looks okay, it looks decent. Okay, it's a bit thick and heavy, I think, compared to other smartwatch by Redmi or by Xiaomi in particular. Okay, so we are going to scan in the QR code here and download the application. Okay, so stay tuned for our second video of the Redmi Watch 3 Active Smartwatch. So this is all about specs and design of the smartwatch. Okay, on our next video, we are going to check on the menus and features of the Redmi Watch 3 smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions, just drop the comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.